So this is the final look. It's short. I sat there for 10 hours, and this is how it looks, and I don't like it. And I got there at 9 o'clock in the morning, and she didn't finish till like 7, like right now. She didn't finish at 7 o'clock. And she just kept trying all these different products because my hair wasn't taking them because it's so damaged. And I mean, like, the curl definition is fine, but it's really short, and I really don't like it. Like, she just, like, really fucked my hair up. But this is the final look.
What's up, team, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we gonna keep it real as ever today. Now, I don't want to talk badly about a brand or a business when they are already under fire, and I always tell people don't kick me while I'm down, but I definitely want to share this story with you guys about the Devacurl experience that I went through. My hair was really long. I'm going to insert a picture right over here somewhere. My hair was pretty much down my back, and after I left the Devacurl Salon that day, my hair did not come past my shoulders. See a picture of it right here. So you can see the two photos of what happened to me. If you want to hear this story about this tragic incident, keep listening. It'll be short, I promise. Okay, so I went to the Devacurl Salon. It was like a certified professional. She had like a C-level, I don't know. But if you go on the Devacurl website, you can find stylists that specialize in like the Devacurl process in your area. So I found a salon on the Devacurl website that was relatively close to me, and my first mistake was not going on the salon's social media platform to see what type of women they service. Just because it says natural hair salon, that does not mean that it's for your hair, and I did not know that after booking my appointment. I got there at 9 o'clock in the morning. Everything was great. They had great customer service. They offered me tea and I think light snacks while I waited. She was on time. She was very friendly. And I don't really know where things went wrong. It was kind of after she used the shampoo on my hair and the conditioner, the leave-in, she realized that she like did something wrong. I don't know how to describe it, but like things went left after she shampooed my hair, and she was basically saying, oh, we should have did this, like you have silicone in your hair is damp. Like, what? Remind you, like she didn't know what she was talking about, like seriously. So the problem started like after she washed my hair. And then another thing is my hair cannot take heat, and she sat me under the dryer for like a good 20 minutes on high heat. My hair, I have to like let my hair air dry, or I control it by taking it off, putting it back on, putting the blow dryer where I need it to dry. But just like sitting under a hooded dryer on high heat for 20 minutes where it's burning my scalp, that's a problem. And I kind of told her it was too high, and she was like, it'll be okay, you're almost done, yada yada yada. So anyways, she wound up cutting 9 to 10 inches of hair off of me. My hair that I grew. I was not happy. I stayed there, I think, for 10 hours because she had to wash my hair twice. The products weren't taking. She really didn't know what she was doing. There was no one in the salon that looked like me at all. No one. And that was like my mistake. I should have looked at her social media before I went to the salon. The Devacurl products did not work in my hair. I still actually have them. I wind up purchasing the entire line. I think I spent about $200 purchasing Devacurl products, and I regret it. They don't work for my hair. I think the only thing that I do like is the leave-in conditioner. That's it. Everything else is a flop, and it flakes, and it doesn't work, and I don't like it, and it's too expensive, and now it doesn't work. Don't use Devacurl. And when you are going to salons to get your hair done, make sure you are looking at their social media platforms. Make sure you're Googling their name. Make sure you're reading the reviews, asking people who have previously been to that salon about their experiences. Because me, I didn't do any of that, and I wound up going to the salon, and they cut most of my hair off, and my hair did not curl, and Devacurl messed me up. The stylist messed me up. I was so upset. I had to pay a lot of money, and I like talked to her. I'm like, I'm not paying full price for this, because like you can clearly see me in tears. My appointment was 9 o'clock in the morning. I had to be on the road and go from Philadelphia to Pittsburgh to my best friend's graduation, and I couldn't even make it there that night. I had to go the next morning because I didn't get out of the salon until 7 o'clock at night, and I was supposed to be on the road at like 3 o'clock. I was heated. I was so mad. I was crying. Like, it was a really bad experience. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you are going to go to a salon, just make sure that you are, doing your research before you go, and don't use Devacurl because they suck. That was kind of mean, but you gotta be honest. I don't like Devacurl products. They don't work for my hair. I don't know if the allegations are true or not, if they're being sued or what the case may be, but I am saying that they are under fire. So after I left the salon, that was back in April. It's now February. My hair has grown out a little bit. I mean, I'm taking care of it because I don't use heat on my hair. Like, I don't like flat irons or the wand or anything like that. I'll use like a hooded dryer, but like nothing else. I don't really use heat on my hair. I don't use any chemicals on my hair. I use all natural products. So my hair, it has adapted really well to my short cut. But I just wasn't happy overall. I was seriously in tears. I will never go back there again. I will not disclose the name of the salon because I'm not the type of person to tarnish somebody's business. But I know the next time I go to a stylist, I would prefer them to be of the same ethnicity as me, or the same skin color, or has the same background as me. Something. We gotta connect, because if you don't understand my hair and your hair texture is different from mine, and everybody in the salon doesn't look like me, I shouldn't be in there. And that was my mistake. I should have just got up and left. Me being the nice person that I am, I stayed, and they completely messed my hair up. The stylist did not know what she was doing at all. Like, she claimed that it was her salon. It was the owner's salon. She went to like these Devacurl classes and got certified in like a diva cut, and every woman that was walking in there definitely had like type A hair. My hair is like type 3, so no, it's not going to work. But yeah, so that was my experience. I will never go back to that salon ever again in my life. And I will try other stylists, but like, honestly, I could do my own hair. I can cut my own hair. I can wash my own hair. I can style my own hair. There's no reason. Like, I think that you should go get your hair professionally trimmed, maybe like once or twice a year, or whenever suits for you. I know I do, but for like most of the time, I'm doing my own hair start to finish, and it's more affordable for me that way, and it just works better because I know my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed my little story time. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just like rambling off the rip, you know how we do on As Always Aleia. But thank you guys again for tuning in. Be sure to tune in to the next video as well, where I talk about my Ayurvedic clay mask. Are you guys so excited to see this? Because I am. Thank you guys again for tuning in to As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Deuces.